All right, so I took the Wrangler JL clutch and flywheel and I chucked it up in the lathe here because I wanted to demonstrate just how much movement there is with a dual mass flywheel. If you can see there's a lot of free play, and then from there it hits the coil springs that are in the flywheel both directions, and that's where you get the torsional dampening of the engine. You know, an engine doesn't just doesn't rotate smoothly. It actually has pulses from all the cylinders firing and everything else. So those pulses can translate into gear noise later on. So what this does is it soaks up some of those torsional vibrations. So anyway, there's a lot of slop in here. Also a lot of play this direction, which is unusual for me. I'm not sure the engineering behind it. Somehow when it spins up, it finds its happy place, and you know, it's not out of balance when it's in the vehicle. But to me, it's kind of scary having everything move around that much. But anyway, yeah, that play you see here, that slop, you can actually feel some of that in the driveline, especially if you're in low range, first gear, and you're tipping in and out of the throttle. It'll surge back and forth, kind of what I call a herky-jerky feel, you know. With a conventional clutch, you have less of that. So, but anyway, I wanted to put it on the lathe here just to demonstrate, because this way I can hang on to the thing. And yeah, there's a lot of motion. That's one of the benefits of dual mass flywheel, is you get a lot more rotation out of the dampening. And we'll discuss that a little bit more as we get into the components of the clutch.